Well, welcome back. Been a while. We got a nice Saturday here, March 1st, at the lake. Somewhere around 104, according to CarPlay there. 62 degrees, a little bit overcast, and a brand new 360 camera. GoPro Max 360. This is the first go around with it. Really don't have the best selfie stick on that, but we're gonna see how this thing works. It might take a little bit of setup here. There, I think we're pretty straight there. This is like we're good. This is all experimentation. Got the Hero 8 on the helmet here, and that is recording too, so plenty of fuel, oil good, tires are right where they should be, so looks like we're recording on the 360 and on the Hero 8. Feel on, choke off. Let's go. See how this works. I think I have the cameras synced pretty well here, so because the audio is a little different on the 360, so the audio is coming off of the helmet mic, and away we go. Super nice day. It's been probably way over a month since we've been out. But I'll be interested to see how that the Max works. So when we get back, we'll check the footage out, see if I know how to edit this thing. I made one short video, just an inside video, and fooled with the editor on it. It's not too awfully hard. We'll find out when we get back. And I have the stabilization on it, and it is sitting just up above the height of the windshield, and hopefully it's not picking up the selfie stick. And we'll see how that works. KLR is getting a little heat in it. Sure's running good. For a cheap motorcycle, this thing has been a ton of fun. And later this spring, we're going to get some new tires for it. Get her to handle just a little bit better, I think. Nice old fella walking the pooch there. Be the time of year, if the weather continues to warm up, that folks get out their yards. And we got of course in the end of April we've got opening day fishing, trout fishing, and gosh, if it's anything like last year, that was some of the biggest trout I've seen in Lake Limerick in the 11 years I lived here. There's a deer. Hopefully the 360 caught it. Yeah, there was just a bunch of 1.5 to 4 pound rainbows in there. There's two more deer. They're a little jumpy. So that's that group of three, the three does. I've seen them down in my yard too. This is their territory. Here's a couple taking a stroll. It looks like the 360 is still doing 360 things. Quite a bunch of neat stuff you can do with these 360 cameras. So this wasn't new. I found this one on eBay. Person said it was used only once, and by the condition of it, it came with the battery and the case and all the attachments and stuff. And I don't know. I'm not sure what these go for new. They're $500 or something like that. Got this one for 240 bucks. So I probably could have found one a little bit cheaper, but a lot of them, the lenses are scratched on them, and I don't want that. I try to avoid one that's been dunked in the salt water. That just can't be good for them. I don't know. They say they're waterproof to something, but I prefer to have a little better one without paying full price. So, and we'll see how it works. Heard lots of good things about them, and some that aren't so good too. But you know, GoPros, they can be finicky sometimes. Miscellaneous shutdowns and stuff like that. I've had a few of those issues, but nothing I've been able to overcome. So for an action camera, I guess they're, you know, as good as any. Some creators say the picture and color and stuff like that is better on the GoPro, and I don't have anything else to compare it to. I did think about that Insta360, but since I have all the GoPro app downloaded and all my other stuff, I think it would just be easier to edit. So that's one of the reasons I went with the GoPro. CarPlay is continuing to work once we figured out the power issues on that. God, what an awesome day. After doing some riding into January, my gosh, some of it was, you know, 36 degrees, and that bites into you. In fact, today I'm just wearing the super light gloves, and it's 62 or 63, whatever we have here. It's doing a real good job. Not cold at all. Still have my jacket on with the liner in it and my vest underneath. I could probably do without the vest, but it was on, and the cell phone is in the pocket, which ties in the helmet Bluetooth with everything up front here. So that's kind of what we did. kind of watch out for them deer. We're kind of coming back the same way. We're going to cut down on this one road. I can't remember what it's called. Tara Lee or something like that. It's down here somewhere. So golf course, you can see that over in there, and then over on this side, tennis courts and the Lake Limerick restaurant, bar, country club, community center. GoPro up a little bit there. Yeah, this stick, the vibration makes it slide down. I'm going to order a new one that's designed. This one is not designed for the motorcycle. It's basically hand, but I had the other one in my shopping cart on the Amazon, and I wasn't quite ready to buy it. But then when I went back to buy it, they raised the price $5, so we'll just wait. Yeah, let's go down this way. Way to Tipperary. See what's going on down here today. We had a little bit of wind here, kind of blew some branches and things down. Kind of see them on the road there still, but as cars go through here, it'll get all ground up. People are burning yard waste, or it's kind of smell smoke, or maybe it's just a chimney, but probably don't need a fire today to stay warm. It's pretty nice out here. That continues to slide down. That's an issue a little bit. But like I said, we're just testing this out. Yeah, KLR, she's humming right along. Kind of like that. I don't know. We go up maybe a hair higher with that. See how that does? It's not going to stay up there, but that's all right. Get a little different perspective as our test continues on this KLR today. Yeah, I don't know. We might stop down and see what my buddy Jim's doing. I know he was working on a starter, replacing a starter on a Honda Element. Said the starter does not want to leave the vehicle. So maybe we'll pop in on him here and see. I asked him if he wanted some help. He told me, no, I don't need your help here. Don't have a clue what you're doing anyway. So. Well, thanks for riding along with us today as we learn how to use the GoPro Max 360. We'll catch you all on the next video.